ready?
Yes.
You're good.
Take it from over there.
You're good.
First one.
From the start?
From the start. All the time. Amazing.
All right. You want some Turkish Delight? Look at that. That looks delicious. I don't think I'll make it to the end.
Yes.
Not without eating it.
Starting eat, not eating.
Look at this. It looks amazing.
It tastes even better.
Oh, he's going to let me try in a minute. Look at this, guys. And then you can buy little packs to take home. 8 in 1. All the boxes to take home. All the sweets on top. Oh, it's cooler in here. Look at that. Orange chocolate, banana chocolate, strawberry chocolate, milk caramel. Oh my God. I'm in heaven.
From the cabin. Verdim müşteriye çayı. Thank you. Yeah, you can try. You can try. It's that nice. You can try.
You know this, man. What time is it?
Of course, brother, no problem.
If I fly it now, it'll be in my room.
Look at this, look. Wow. Oh my God, look at these. Little sets as well. Look at these guys buying the shop lot.
Yep, she is. I think let's get 2. That should be the mix. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello to YouTube.
Hello YouTube, how are you? Hello.
You okay?
Yeah, good you?
Yeah, lovely.
2 pound each.
All these red peppers and green peppers. Guys, this is one hell of a sweet shop, I'm telling you. They've got every flavour sweets you want. All Turkish Delights. He ships to England as well. So, I'm coming. He ships to England as well. So you can have them sent out. Oh, what's this?
Tea.
This looks like a shop to me. He's trying to get me drunk. This guy.
Hello, my friend. How are you?
Mmm, that's nice. What's this tea?
Absolutely.
That's beautiful.
That's pomegranate tea.
Yeah.
Look at this. It looks amazing.
Special Turkish sweet.
Wow.
From baklava.
It
I'm
looks
from
amazing.
Southeast Turkey.
And you guys ship to the UK.
Yes.
People buy online from you.
Yes.
I'll put a link into the description below.
Thank you.
And how long does it take to get to the
1
UK?
week.
1 week normally. Yeah.
Normally 1 week, but it's going to be 3 days as well.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
If it's a bit quickly, you know.
And it's all in a nice box, sealed
Yes.
up, everything. So
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
that's amazing. Guys, it looks phenomenal. Look at this, look.
Chocolate Turkish Delight. Covered in
Beautiful.
chocolate.
And it tastes amazing because I've eaten
Yes.
loads of it.
That-
I've eaten
yeah.
loads.
Yes, thank
And you do other things as well.
Yes.
All the tea.
And all the
All the
chocolate,
tea in Turkey.
all the chocolate is here.
Oh wow, look at this, look. Oh my God,
Not
look.
Frank?
No. Look at me. I can't try, I'm too fat.
Right. Yeah.
Look at it all.
These are the homemade ones.
Amazing. I could eat it all.
Yeah, you
I
can.
just feel hungry.
Look at that, brother.
Fresh.
A special fresh baklava.
Baklava.
Yes. And these are the traditional Turkish delight. There's lots of English people, they love this one. Why? Because traditional Turkish delight.
And these look.
And
Wow.
these are natural dry fruit.
Dried fruits.
100% natural dry fruit.
Wow.
Should
This jam
yes, jam and marmalade.
and jam,
Honey with nuts, sugar-free jam, honey.
marmalade. honey. Guys, all of it can come to the UK if you want, or if you're out here, come and see these guys.
Yes,
Honestly, I've had the sweets, I've tasted them. They're bloody lovely. The trouble is I'm too fat and I'll just keep eating them all day long and it's no good for me. But look at them all.
Did you try this one, brother?
I think I tried them all with one of these young boys in May.
You can try
He was trying to get me to buy it, this
Yeah.
one, and I had the lot.
Which one?
Everything I tried.
Thank you very much. And this is the brand new one. You can
Look at this,
try,
guys.
please.
This is tea, pomegranate tea.
1 minute.
Tastes bloody amazing.
I will try this one, brother. That's absolutely amazing. Look at that, brother. This is the absolutely amazing. Look,
Right, come on, let's give it a try then.
orange and baklava
Oh my god.
and caramel inside.
Ecstasy.
It
No
is-
good for a fat bloke.
It is banging.
No good.
It is banging.
Bang.
Banging.
What is it?
Bang. It is a banging.
Banging sweet.
Yes.
They do other things as well, boys and girls.
O yazıyı çevir lan, yazı.
100% natural homemade soaps.
Şimdi bu herife bir special box yapalım. Gel.
Beautiful.
Bak, special gel.
Anyhow, guys, we know where we are. I'll put the link in the description. Come in, say hello. Look at the faces. You can't miss these guys.
Yes, please. Thank you very much.
They're very
Welcome
welcoming.
to come.
Always help you out. Do a deal on the sweets as well if you want. If you're buying a few. If you're anything like me with a sweet tooth, look for this man here.
Yeah.
Right, guys. Later. I'll put a link in the description.